Is your 2015-2017 Fiat 124 Spider key fob not working like it used to? Delayed response or no response at all often indicates a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to dealership services. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Locate the small indentation or seam on the back of your Fiat 124 Spider key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be cautious not to apply excessive force, as the plastic can be fragile. Work your way around the seam until the case pops open. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR232 battery. Note the orientation of the battery with the positive side up. The battery should have its positive side facing up. Make sure to note this before removal. Use your fingertip or the pry tool to gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Avoid using metal tools that could short-circuit the battery terminals. Use plastic tools if needed. Take your new CR2032 battery and prepare to insert it into the compartment. Insert the battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, just like the old battery was oriented. The negative side of the battery has small dots covering its surface. Press down firmly to secure the battery in place. Double-check the polarity to ensure it's correct and avoid any issues like shorts or the need for reprogramming. To reassemble the key fob, start by aligning the two halves of the case properly. Press the halves firmly together until they snap securely into place. Check that there are no gaps or loose sections in the assembly. A properly assembled fob creates a seal that prevents moisture from entering and damaging the internal components. With the key fob reassembled, you can now proceed to test its function. After reassembly, test the key fob's functionality. Press the lock button to ensure it locks your Fiat 24 Spider. Press the unlock button to verify it unlocks the vehicle. Press the panic alarm button to test the emergency feature. If the fob doesn't work immediately, try pressing the buttons a few more times. If it still doesn't work, the fob may require reprogramming. In rare cases, replacing the battery may require you to reprogram the key fob. Consult your Fiat 124 Spider owner's manual for instructions on how to perform a key fob resync. Alternatively, a Fiat dealership or locksmith can reprogram the fob for a fee, typically $50 to $100. Some OBD2 tools and third-party apps can also diagnose and potentially reprogram the fob.